Hello, in front of me I've got WUCHANG. In this video I'll show you how to change weapon skill. In the beginning, let's go to Worship Shrine and go to Impetus repository. Right here you've got weapons skills. Firstly, you have to unlock them. For example, right here for longsword, we've got Crescent Moon, sword counter, and more. Once you unlock the skill, let's go to discipline and select weapon. Select the skill and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.